Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Phonics. Oh, look, everyone's saying hello. Right, let's go to our first challenge. Challenge 1. Oh, Rex says, it's time for us to remember and write some graphemes we have already learnt. Miss Coleman will tell you now. Okay, everyone, I want you to write the graphemes for the phoneme for the sound ear, all the different ways that you can write that. Pause the video now and we'll move on in a minute. Great, you should have written those. There were 3 of those. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next sound, the next phoneme is E. There are 7 different ways of writing that. See if you can get them all. Okay, pause the video if you need some more time. We'll move on and we'll have a look. Right, so Rex says, have a look here and see if you are correct. Okay, so for ear, you've got E, A and R. That's the Rex way of writing it. And then the 2 Kathy ways are double E, R and E, R, E. And then the 7 different ways are here for you to have a look at. So double E, E and an A, split digraph E, Y by itself, E by itself, and E and a Y and an I and an E. So well done if you got those, and see if you can remember them for the next time we write them. Now write these words right. Okay, the first one, this has got the E sound in that we've been recapping on, we've been looking at over the last week. So I want you to write the word only. Pause the video now if you need some more time. The next word is the word peer. Great job. And finally, the last word I want you to write, if you haven't written the other one, pause it. Pause the video. The last one is severe. Great, so pause the video now if you need some more time and we'll look at how those are spelt. Right, so only at the top in the corner, the O says O in this word, only. And then the E sound that we were looking at is the Y at the end, only. Okay, the next word is the word peer. This one is the word that means your friends, people that are the same age as you, a peer. So that one had the double E and the R. And the last word was severe. The sound in severe is actually written as an E. Got the V, and then the ear sound is E-R-E. Severe means extreme, and it's normally something that's bad, extremely bad. Okay? Whoa, let's have a look at this. Today we are going to look at verbs again, but this time we are going to change them in a different way. We are going to add the suffix ing to the end. It is called the past or present progressive tense. This means that something is continuing or keeps happening. This could be in the past, it's already happened, or in the present, which means it is happening right now. Whoa, lots of information there. So we're going to be adding ing to verbs, and it's called the past or present progressive tense, which sounds really fancy, but it just means that something's keeping on happening. So, and it could be in the past or in the present. I think Rex is going to give us some ideas. Okay, so if I used it in a sentence, I could say, I was sitting if it was yesterday. I could also say, I am sitting if it was right now. Okay, so Rex has said you can say I was sitting, and you're talking about the past and it's continuing to happen until you say that something else is happening. And in the second sentence down here, it says I am sitting, so that's in the present, that's happening right now. So this one happened another time in the past, and this one is happening right now, but with the verb is still the same. Can you see that? It's still happening. Right, let's see what Kathy's saying. Okay, so here are some root verbs which don't change at all when you add the ing. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so everybody, can you read this one? Brilliant, it's the word climb. And Rex is saying, this is the root verb. And then Kathy's saying, this is the past tense, not past tense suffix. This is the suffix ing. This, and then Oswald is saying, this is the progressive tense verb. Right, let's have a look. So read this one. And then what's our suffix? Brilliant. So climb plus ing equals, and what's our final progressive tense verb? Brilliant. Climbing. Can you say that again, everyone? Brilliant. Climbing. Okay. Again, it's not past tense. Kathy, you seem to have got it wrong. Rex, this is the root verb. Kathy's saying, this is the past tense suffix ing. It's not the past tense. It's the progressive tense. And Oswald is saying, this is the progressive tense verb. Right, let's have a look. What's this verb? Brilliant. Frown. I'm frowning now. You can't see it, but I am. You have a go at frowning. Okay, now add the suffix ing, and then say the whole of the progressive tense verb, past or present. Brilliant. Frowning. And read it again. Brilliant. Frowning. Right. Super. Now have a go at reading these root verbs and then the past tense verbs which they change to. That's not right, is it? Okay. Basically, guys, have a go at reading these. When you've finished, pause the video and we will move on. Oh, sorry, not when you've paused the video. When you finish reading these, we'll move on. But if you haven't finished, pause the video. Great job. Have a rest and then we will see you later for challenge 2. Okay, see you later, everybody. Bye.